Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Sendit on Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Play Store and download the application Sendit. I already downloaded this application to my smartphone. Then you need to go back and open the application Sendit. Once you open that application, you need to click on Edit and ask here any question. So I'm going to put a random question, and in the bottom with the share you will find the color option. Click on that so you can change the background, and then you need to click on share so it will be shared on Snapchat. So you can see that it will be shared on Snapchat, and you will also find answers by clicking on the message at the top right. So you will find all your messages here. So by following these steps you can easily use Sendit on Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.